The Photalika for WordPress plugin can be installed directly from the WordPress plugin directory. Let's explore how it works. To get started, click the Plugins menu to explore and manage your site's plugins. After that, click the Add Plugin button to browse and install new plugins. Following this, select the keyword drop-down to filter plugins, or type Photalika. Now click Install Now to add the Photalika plugin to your WordPress site. Click the Activate button to enable the Photalika plugin for your site. Following this, click the Media menu in the left sidebar to access Photalika. To configure your account, you need your access token. Go to your Photalika dashboard to create an access token for your website. In your Photalika dashboard, go to Access Tokens to manage the authentication credentials for your account. Now enter a name for your access token in the name field. Next up, click the Create button to generate your new access token. Now click the Access Token field to copy your new access token securely. Then, click the Close button to dismiss the access token dialog. Afterwards, enter your access token in the Input field to proceed with setup. After that, click the Validate and Save button to confirm your access token. Photalika for WordPress is ready. Click on the Search button to find your uploaded photos.